Good morning class. Today we will do our this exercise which yesterday I gave you to try. Now in this first question is there are 12 color pencil in a box. How many pencils are there in 8 boxes? See in one box there are 12 pencils. So in all 8 boxes how many pencils are there? So the statement is like this. Total box is 8. Number of pencil in one box 12. Number of pencils in 8 boxes are 12 multiply 8 96 pencils. Clear? Second question. In a row there are 32 chairs. In one row how many chairs are there? 32. How many chairs will be there in 10 rows? See, one row they have given and asking for 10 rows. Now the statement is total rows 10. Number of chair in one row 32. So number of chair in 10 rows 32 multiply with 10 equals to 320. 320 chairs. Clear? Now third question. Each packet has 100 paint brushes. How many paint brushes will such 134 packets have? Means in one packet brushes are 100. They are asking for 134 packets. So the statement is total packets 134. Number of paint brush in one packet equals to 100. So number of paint brushes in 134 packets is 134 multiply 100. 134 100 brushes. One 134 brushes. Right? Look बेटा, if you multiply the number is this 5 multiply 100. अगर आप किसी भी नंबर को ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो जिसमें ज़ीरोज़ हैं तो आप क्या करो, नंबर एज इट इज़, काउंट द ज़ीरो 1 and 2, यू विल राइट 2 zeros एज इट इज़. क्लियर? आपको सिर्फ नंबर में ज़ीरो काउंट करनी है, नंबर को एज इट इज़, उसके बाद जितने भी ज़ीरो हैं वो ज़ीरो यहाँ लगा दो. नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. देयर आर 11 चिल्ड्रन इन अ टीम. I give 9 toffee to each child. Means to one child he give how many toffees? 9. Total children are 11. Number of toffees give to one child? 9. Number of toffees give to 11 children. 11 multiply 9, 99 toffees. Clear? Fifth question. There are 248 fruit in a box. How many fruits in a box? 248. How many fruits are there in 12 such boxes? So fruit in one box 248 and fruits in 12 boxes are multiply. You have to show multiplication also. आपको यहाँ पे multiply show भी करना है और यहाँ पे आंसर भी लिखना है, ये आप खुद करेंगे. Sixth question. A company produces 14,102 calculators every month. एक मंथ में इतने कैलकुलेटर्स जो है वो एक कंपनी प्रोड्यूस करती है, मीन्स बनाती है. हाउ मैनी कैलकुलेटर्स इट प्रोड्यूस इन 13 मंथ्स. मीन्स 13 मंथ्स में वो कितने कैलकुलेटर प्रोड्यूस करेगी. सो सेम कैलकुलेटर प्रोड्यूस इन वन मंथ 14,102. कैलकुलेटर प्रोड्यूस इन 13 मंथ्स मल्टीप्लाई विद 3. मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको शो करनी है सेम. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. If each curtain has 544 books, how many books? 544. Then how many books are there in 14 curtains? तो 14 curtains में कितनी books होंगी? Seventh question. Books in one curtain 544. Books in 14 curtains 544 multiply 14. Clear? Now question number 8. Anil gave 6 tickets to each of his 15 friends. See, he gave his total friends 15. How many tickets he gave to one? 6. So how many tickets did he give in all? He is saying कि अनिल के जो फ्रेंड है वो 15 फ्रेंड्स हैं और अनिल ने एक फ्रेंड को 6 टिकट्स दी हैं. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि टोटल टिकट्स, हाउ मेनी टिकट्स ही गिव. So number of friends 15 Number of tickets give to each 6. So total number of tickets are 15 multiply 6. 15 6 are 90 tickets. How many tickets? 19 tickets. Right? Question number 9. Shivam travels 25 km every day. How much distance does he travel in 34 days? See, Shivam travels in one day 25 km. Shivam travels in 34 days. 25 multiply with 34. Show the multiplication here and write your answer here. Clear? Now, question number 10. Each bag has 2138 pins. How many pins will 45 such bags have? See, in one bag, number of pins in one bag 2138. Number of pins in 45 bags 2138 multiply with 45. और जो आपका प्रोडक्ट आएगा यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद वही आपका क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ पिन्स इन 45 बैग्स. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. In an open air theater, there are 44 rows of seats. How many rows are there? 44. There are 24 seats in each row. Look beta, total rows are 44. Seats in one row. कि जो आपकी वन रो में सीट्स कितनी है? 24 हैं. सो टोटल सीट्स आर 44 multiply 24. See, in your class 3 rows are there, right? And in one row 7 dexes are there, or you can say 7 seats are there. एक रो में 7 सीट्स हैं, तो 3 रोज में टोटल कितनी सीट्स होंगे आपकी, कितने डेस्क होंगे? राइट, लाइक दैट. टोटल रोज एयर थिएटर में 44, सीट्स इन वन रो 24. सो टोटल सीट्स आर 44 multiply 24. राइट? Question number 12. A factory produces 1572 cricket bats every week. Means in one week how many bats he produce? 1572. So number of weeks are 52. So total bats 1572 multiply 52. You can write here also. Bats produce in one week this much. Bats produce in 52 weeks equals to 1572 multiply 52. Clear? Question number 13. There are 242 soldiers in each camp. In each camp how many soldiers are there? 242. Now how many soldiers are there in 10 camps? So soldier in one camp 242. Total camps are 10. So total soldiers are 242 multiply 10. That is 2420. Clear? Now next is 14 question. A bus can carry 43 passenger in one trip. See, in one round how many passenger the bus can take? 43. So how many passenger will it carry in 100 trips? So passenger in one trip 43, number of trips 100. So total passenger 43 multiply 100 equals to 4300. Right? Now question number 15. Each bag has 513 brushes. How many brushes will 1000 such bags have? Number of brushes in one bag 513. Number of bags 1000. So total brushes are 513 multiply 1000, which is like this: 1 2 3 1 2 3. Right? Now question number 16. Each packet has 8 notebooks. How many notebooks? 8. And how many notebooks will 10,000 packets have? See, notebooks in one packet 8. Number of packets are 10,000. So number of notebooks are 8 multiply 10,000 equals to 80,000. Right? I hope the questions are clear to you. Question number 17. Each packet has 300 balls. How many balls? 300. How many balls will 1256 packets have? Now, balls in one packet 300. Number of packets are 1256. So, total number of balls 1256 multiply with 300. Multiply and write the answer. You can do like this also. See 20 as it is. Now 3 left. Multiply the number with 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 goes carry. 3 5 are 15 and 1 16. 1 goes carry. 3 2 are 6 and 1 7. 3 1 are 3. So how many balls are there? 3,76,800 balls. Same 18th question. Each consignment has 30,000 items. How many items will 13 such consignments have? See, items in one consignment 30,000. Number of consignments are 13. So total number of items are, count the zeros, 1 2 3 4. Write as it is. 13 3s are 39. Right. So number of items are 3,90,000. Now question number 19. Each carrot has 200 cans of cold drink. How many cans of cold drink in one carrot? 200. Number of carrots 400. So total number of cans are 200 multiply with 400. 20 and 20. Total are 4 zeros. 1 2 3 and 4. 2 4s are 8. So number of cans are 80,000. Clear? Now question number 20. A packet has 4,000 sheets. How many sheets will 170 such packets have? Number of sheets in one packet 4,000. Number of packets 170. So total number of sheets are 4,000 multiply 170. Again count the zeros. 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. Multiply 4 with 17. 17 4s are 68. So number of sheets in a packet in 170 packets is 6,80,000. Clear? I hope the exercise is clear.